देखो बेटा, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है फंक्शन। व्हाट इज फंक्शन? ठीक है। फंक्शन इज ए रूल which associates every element of set A to unique element of set B. यानी कि फॉर फंक्शन, फंक्शन इज ए रिलेशन। ठीक है। relation if every element of set A, suppose if we have the element of set A, B, C, every element of set A is associated to unique element of set B, then it is called a function. ठीक है। तो A to B is a function. It means suppose A is associated to R and B is associated to Q and C is associated to, then this A cross A, this ordered pair is known as a function. This is the function if every element of set A is associated to unique element of set B. You have to take care, the word is given that every element of set A, ठीक है, should be associated to unique element of set B. Suppose if we have taken here, if we show the by mapping, we have taken the three element here A, B, C, and the element of this one set B, P, Q, R. If we can use this one, A is associated to P, B is also associated to P, and C is associated to Q. It is also a function. Every element of set A should be associated to unique element of set B. ठीक है। There should not be, then it will not be a function if we take in this way. Suppose if we take A, B, C, here if we take element P, Q, R, if A is associated to P and A is also associated to Q, or B is associated to R, or C is associated to R. It is not a function because it does not have the unique image. It is not the function because A has the two different images. Different element of set A should different images in set B. Another example, just take you this one also. If we have the element ABC, or this is the PQR, A is having the element P, B is also Q, and C is also, sorry, B is having the element with Q, but C is not associated with R. So every element is not associated to R, so it is not a function. There may be some element left in set A. Otherwise, it will not be a function. So function is the most important part of mathematics. Okay. So you should have clear concept. There are different types of functions. Okay. So these different types of functions, just we are saying as two different images, two and different elements have the same image, then it is called the many one function. If different element have the different images, जैसे I have taken the example this one, this is known as the one function. If all the elements should associate some element with some element of A, then known as the onto function. If some element left is known as the into function. Just I take the some another simple example you can understand easily. one function. One function में different element have the different images, ठीक है? But every element of that should be different. Suppose this one taking the example, only for taking the two terms, A, B and 1, 2. ठीक है? This is 1, 2 and 3 also I have taken. This is the one. If I take this example, many one function, two different elements have the same image, A, B, 1, 2, 3. यानी कि A has the image 1, B also has the same image. If two different elements have the same image, then it is known as the many one function. Then after that, into function, if this is also into function. If one element left, ठीक है, all element of set B is not associated to set A, then it is called the into function. Just I am making the example here, A and this one B. If I am taking A, B, 1, 2, 3, so A is associated 2 and B is associated 3, then it is a into function. Another example I am taking onto function. In onto function, all elements should be engaged to A is associated to 1 and B is associated to 2 and C is associated to suppose 1 also. This is the onto function. ठीक है? One different that is known the one function. Many one function, if two different images have the same image, that is known as the many one function. Into function, if all the elements are not engaged to some element of set A, that is known as the into function. If every element of set B is associated to some element of set A, then it is called the onto function. So similarly, जैसे I have told you one function so and onto function, so you can say that is a one function and into function. ये one function भी है and also a into function. It is one function as well as into function. If I can say one function and onto function, so I can make the example here. This will be a one and onto. If I take this one, now it is one function and onto as well. So these are the functions, different types of functions. Now we are taking the some polynomials, ठीक है, algebraic expression, and we will try to make the graph of these functions. देखो, with the different polynomial function we are taking. So first, what is identity function? If fx is equal to identity function. Fx is equal to x is known as the identity function. Identity function, the same element have the same image. यानी कि if we put f1 is equal to, it is equal to 1. यानी कि if we draw, if we find the value of the graph, this one is x, this one is fx. Now if we put x is equal to 1, we will get 1. If we put x is equal to -1, we will get also -1. If we put 2, then we will get the 2, -2, then -2. This is known as the identity function. Whatever you will input, you will get the same result, same answer. That is known as the identity function. If you draw these points, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, so you will get the same result. Okay. So if you join these points, you will get a straight line. This is the graph of the function fx is equal to x. This is known as the identity function. This is the graph of your identity function. The second function is, this was the first, constant function. Constant function means that the name have given the constant. If we get the always the constant value, that is known as the constant function. Fx is equal to, suppose the value is k, that is known as the constant. Yani कि whatever we will be put input different value. If we put f1, f1 is also k. If we put f2, then it is also k. If we put f minus 3, then the same value. If we get the same answer, that is known as the constant function. If we want to draw the graph of this constant function, okay, the value of this constant function, if we are putting the different value of x, x is equal to 1, we are getting the same value. 2 put कर रहे हैं तब भी से वही वैल्यू आ रही है, माइनस में पुट कर रहे हैं तब भी वही वैल्यू आ रही है. It will be the line parallel to x-axis. This is known as the constant function. The constant value function में the name has clear. This is a constant function. The value will be the constant, remain constant. The graph x-axis. The next is polynomial function. Polynomial, there are so many different varieties of polynomial function. Okay, I am just taking, okay, fx is equal to x. It is also a polynomial function whose degree was 1. Polynomial expression we can take whose degree, it may be anything. Now I am just taking the example of fx is equal to x square. It is a quadratic polynomial. I know. If we draw the graph of this polynomial, what will be the value? Fx is equal to x square. First we draw, we just first of all we find some point here. If we take the point x, fx, x is equal to 1, we get 1, x is equal to 2, then we get 4. If we put x is equal to 3, then 9. If we take x is equal to -1, then it comes +1. If we take -2, then it is also come +4. If we take -3, then it also comes +9. These are some points which we get by putting the value of different value of x, we get the value of y. Now we want to draw the graph of this function. So if we were going to draw the graph, just see the graph will come in this shape. ठीक है, 0 0 पे if we take x is equal to 0, we will get the value 0. X is equal to 1, so its value is coming 1. 2 पर कितनी आ रही है 4. Left में if we take the -1, the value will be positive. If we take -2, then it is also positive. If we take x is equal to 3, so we get the value 9. Here also we are getting the 9. We get the all positive value that is known as the quadratic polynomial. ठीक है, तो quadratic polynomial है, the graph is come in this shape. If we put the negative values, ठीक है, we get the positive values in all cases. ठीक है, so this is the graph of quadratic polynomial. If we want to draw the cubic polynomial, fx is equal to x cube. So similar way, first of all, we will try to find some points. If we put the different values of x, we will get the different value of fx. If we put 1, we will get 1. But in case -1, we will get -1. If we put 2, we get 8. If we put -2, we get -8. If we put 3, we get -27. If we put -3, we get -27. So graph, if we draw this type of function, we get in this shape. If we have x is equal to 0, so we will get the 0. If we put x is equal to 1, so we get 1. x is equal to 2 पर किसकी वैल्यू एकदम चेंज हो जाएगी, बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. 3 पर कितनी हो जाएगी, 27. इसी तरीके से इंक्रीज करती चली जाएगी. This is the graph of cubic polynomial. Generally, fx is equal to x was the first I have done the linear polynomial. ठीक है, this was the quadratic polynomial. This is a cubic polynomial. It is sufficient to show if there is unlimited of polynomials, we cannot draw all the graphs. Okay. Now I am taking the next one, that is the modulus function. What is the modulus function? Now I am taking the modulus function. It is a new function you have not studied earlier. We define it such that fx is equal to modulus of x. Modulus of x का मतलब you have the different values. We have -2. The value of -2 will be equal to 2. If we have 2, that is also equal to 2. Yani the result of this function comes always positive. So we write in this form fx is equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0. ठीक है, minus x if x is less than 0. This is the algebraic expression. ठीक है, we use in this way. It means if there is a positive term, है ना, suppose if we have put 2, तो 2 की value it will be equal to 2 as it is. If it is negative term, so then we have to put minus sign one more, then you will get positive. It means if it is a minus and minus term, then you have to, it is less than 0, then you have to write in this way, then it becomes positive. This is the modulus function. So if we want to draw the graph of this function, okay, so if we take some values, just I am taking some points for drawing the graph. This is the function x. This is the function modulus of x. If we put a 1, we will get the answer 1. If we put 2, then you will get the answer 2. If we to take -1, then it becomes +1. If you take -2, then it becomes 2. Yani कि the points, if we use these 2 points only, 4 points, then we x equal to 0, sorry, x equal to 0 I am not taking the side because the value of 0, the function will be also become 0. So 1 point is this one. If we take 1, so it is 1 becomes 1. If we take 2, then it becomes 2. Similarly, if we take minus 1, it is also still positive. Okay? So you draw these points and join them, you will find the graph will come in this shape. It is always positive. It is not coming down the x-axis. It is above the x-axis. It means the value of function यानी y is always positive. यानी कि f(x) is always positive. This is the modular function. The next one is signum function. What is signum function? Signum function को we have defined in this way. f(x) is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0. It is 0 if x is equal to 0. It is equal to 1 if x is equal to 0. You will have the only 3 points, 3 solutions. If you want to find the value of, just I am taking x f(x). If you take 1, you will get 1. If you take 10, it is also 1. यानी कि कह रहे हैं कि it is x is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, the answer will come only 1. If you take 100 also, 1 lakh also, 1 lakh 30 also, you will get the answer 1. If you put x is equal to 0, so you will get 0. If you take the negative value minus 2, then the value answer will come only minus 1. If you take minus 1, then it is also minus 1. If you take minus 0.01, then it also is minus 1. There are only 3 possibilities. So 3 possibilities ko I am showing. These 3 possibilities will get either 1 or 0. यानी कि यहाँ पर 0 होगा तो 0 वाला point we are taking here. And if it is less than 0, then we have to take this minus 1, this 1, this is 0. ठीक है? So line will be parallel to x-axis. So if you take 100, the value will be 1. If you take minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, the answer will be minus 1. This is the signum function. So these are the some functions which I have told you. So you have to remember, you have to write on your fair notebook. Okay? Whenever I will get a chance, I will see your notebook carefully. Okay? Just write down all types of functions and its properties. What are the properties? Properties are similar as you have done in the algebraic operation. All the properties I have mentioned in your book. If there are 2 functions, if we want to find out f plus g, there are 2 functions f plus g. So we can add these functions separately, fx plus gx. If we want the difference of 2 functions, f minus g, then we can find out the difference of these 2 functions separately, fx minus gx. If we want to find out the product of 2 functions, then we can find out the product of function separately. Or if the difference division f upon gx is equal to fx upon gx. Suppose we have the function, just I am taking the example, fx is equal to x square plus 5 or gx is equal to x square 2x square plus 10. चलो सपोज करो ये ले लिया हमने एग्जाम. ठीक है. We have to find out f plus gx. F plus gx means f plus gx, so we have to add both the function fx plus gx, यानी कि fx plus gx, यानी कि fx है आपका x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 और gx है 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 10, तो आंसर विल बी 3x स्क्वायर plus 15. This is the sum of two functions. If we want to find out the difference of two functions f minus vx, यानी कि fx minus vx, तो fx is x square plus 5 minus x square minus 10. The answer will become minus x square minus 5. This is the difference of two functions. If we want to find out the multiplication, multiply of two functions, f dot gx, so we have to multiply with these two functions, fx and gx. Okay, you can multiply yourself also. If there is a division of two functions, so f upon g, so you have to find out the division of two functions, fx upon gx. Fx is how much? Fx is equal to x square plus 5, and we can take common 2 also, x square plus 5. So x square plus 5 से cancel कर सकते हैं. The answer will be 1 upon 2. So I have told you how the operations are possible. These are known as the sum operation with two functions, sum, difference, product, and division. As you have done in algebraic operation in smaller classes, this is similar to same. Okay. Now I have completed this one. After that, just we start the exercise. Quotient of 2 ये हो गया आपका. ठीक है. You have to take care of what is the, so next exercise we will start tomorrow. Just I am trying function, ठीक है, or not. It is a function or not if we take the set A whose elements are